Using logical operators. Logical operators are handy when you have to deal with two or more conditions. For example, if you are at a convenience store, you can pay for items if you have cash or a credit card. Or is the logical operator in this case. You can use the following logical operators. Logical AND returns true only if all conditions are true. Logical OR returns true if any condition is true. Logical NOT returns the opposite Boolean value. To see how these operators are used, enter the following code and run it. 1 is equal to 1 and 2 is equal to 2. Logical AND operator. True because both operands are true. So true and true returns true. 1 is equal to 1 and 2 is not equal to 2. Logical AND operator. False because one operand is false. So true and false returns false. 1 is equal to 1 or 2 is equal to 2. Here we're using the logical OR operator. It's true because both operands are true. So true or true returns true. 1 is equal to 1 or 2 is not equal to 2. Again, here we are using the OR operator. This statement is true because one operand is true. So true or false returns true. 1 is not equal to 1 or 2 is not equal to 2. Again, this is the logical OR operator. This statement is false because both operands are false. Therefore, false or false returns false. And finally, not 1 is equal to 1. Logical NOT operator. This is false because 1 is equal to 1 is true. So not true returns false.